guys, welcome to Shkodër. This bus dropped me off here from... It's good? No? I was filming the bus. Okay, police tells me to stop filming. Well, one guy was waving and the other one was telling me to stop filming. So Jenga just came here with this bus from Durrës, the second biggest city in Albania. It was about a 2-hour drive and it cost 600 lek, which is about €6. And as anywhere in Albania here, the weather is amazing. We can see a beautiful building here. We have the fountain and the flag. And now we're going to look for our hotel. It should be just a 5-minute walk, not too far. I think the city is pretty walkable. It's the 5th biggest city in Albania with about 130,000 citizens, and it's the main city in the north of the country. So these are my first impressions here. We're passing by the local mosque. I think this is one of the main streets in the center of Shkodër, and basically it also serves as a bus station, so all the buses are just coming here on the side of the road to all kind of destinations in Albania and even in Montenegro, because Montenegro is not that far from here. It's about 4 p.m. in the afternoon, and wow, this looks like a pedestrian area. It looks very nice. I was just about to say that it's pretty empty here, but I guess that after the bigger cities in Albania, it's just a much less busy experience to be in one of these smaller cities here. What I really appreciate here in Albania is most of these beautiful boulevards actually always have these trees lined up, so you can have a proper amount of shadow when walking in the blasting sun here. It also feels pretty nice. Look how fancy this place is. We have a nice wide sidewalk to walk on. This is a nice car, but that's also a thing in Albania. They're often parked everywhere, and as a pedestrian you just have to walk around it.
What, you are doing a YouTube video?
Yes, my friend.
Can I show up the video?
Hello.
Hello. What is your YouTube channel, buddy?
Maarten Travels. Maarten Travels.
Maarten Travels.
Some guys are going to watch this video, hopefully. If you see yourself, write it in the comments so I can get back to you. And I think my hotel should be in this street. No, it's probably the next one. Wow, look at this. We have the little shops here. We have the women sitting outside. It definitely looks very Italian. Organizing the plants here. Wow, I like the vibe of this city already. And suddenly it's much more busy as well, on the street and also on the sidewalk.